Hello everyone, this is Loveboy, and today I am making a YouTube video, and it is a massive storm. Like literally just before it was pouring down, it was lightning, like you could see in the corner, like it looked like it was right in front of us. Literally like that far away from us.
Yeah, really close.
Yep. And it sounds like the fun's over there.
Just over there somewhere.
And I am outside of under the deck.
Wow.
So I am not under the deck. And I am
Not safe.
touching metal. Kind of.
That's not metal.
Oh.
That's, ow! My knee is cracked.
And I am... No. Touching metal.
Away from that, because that's metal.
Hello everyone, this is Loveboy, and today there's a thunder and lightning storm, and
More like this evening.
well, this evening, yeah. And just before it was thunder and lightning actually looked like it was that close, even closer.
Really close.
And yeah.
It's gonna be freaky. It's really loud and really close. You
Yeah.
might not.
The scariest storm I was probably ever in, and my brother, is was like a few weeks ago.
Oh yeah,
And last time we were on edge
of a really big cliff.
and it was thundering, lightning, pouring down the rain.
Oh, windy, and we were swimming in the river as well, where we were jumping off the cliffs. There's a small bit, like there's different
Whoa,
types of cliffs.
jeez.
Small one, medium one, tall one, and a big daddy one. It's like
That's what my dad called it, Lockie.
Yeah, I know. But big daddy means really big.
Dad and his cousins was like the first people to jump off. Everyone's just watching them. Literally, that's what I said. Like that's what he said. Who was? Yeah. Yeah, that goes some thunder.
Going before, like,
It was just on top of us.
yeah, before it shook the whole entire house. Literally, so loud. It actually like shook the whole house. Well, that's what it
Shaking.
felt like.
I can make you come back here.
How? No, Geordie.
Touching metal.
That's not metal.
Oh, I know it's.
Hi, guys.
Oh, it looks like metal from a distance, but when you feel it's just like plastic. Okay, touching metal.
Yeah, it won't work like that because we're under.
Damn it.
Hey, Thunder! Come back over here! And you two lightning! Come on!
Well, okay.
You do not want to be a pool right now.
I might go straight through the house out to the front.
Yeah, same.
And the cricket is on.
The purple. We went to that game. We went to that game. Oh, and by the way, the purple team was all about Hurricanes. Oh, it's our favourite team. They play where we live.
Oh, it's warm out here.
Wow.
Oh, I'll show you our new sprinkler. We can actually tackle it.
Yeah, you can tackle it.
The cactus. The cactus. You can hardly see it because how it is. I'm gonna tackle it. Wait, okay? It's pouring. Right. Hold the camera.
I'm already holding my iPad.
Oh, freaky.